Dear Klairs just launched new all-day Airy mineral sunscreen. And yes, guys, it is a sensitive skin-friendly sunscreen. Those whose skin is sensitive and requires a light sunscreen. Those who are looking for a non-sticky, ultralight, quickly absorbing sunscreen. Those who want their everyday appearance to be radiant and even in tone, this sunscreen is for you. Mineral sunscreen with zinc oxide. Gentle and suitable for sensitive skin. A fast-absorbing, lightweight, non-sticky sunscreen. Achieves brighter, even skin tone and leaves no white cast. Quick-absorbing and non-comedogenic. It provides gentle care for sensitive skin while achieving an even skin tone. Every day, say hello to protected silky skin. The all-day Airy mineral sunscreen is available in 10-gram, 35-gram, and 60-gram packing. Experience the lightweight, non-sticky formula with SPF 50+, PA+++ protection for all-day radiance and peace of mind. Achieve an even skin tone and gentle care for sensitive skin with its quick-absorbing, non-comedogenic formula. Say hello to smooth, protected skin every day. Let's talk about its ingredients. Zinc oxide, a mineral that effectively scatters and reflects both UVA and UVB rays. Coconut and moringa oil to nourish skin and counteract the dryness zinc can cause. Panthenol to hydrate and soothe. Ceramide NP and phytosphingosine to care for skin barrier. Niacinamide to inhibit the transfer of the melanosomes to the surrounding keratinocytes, which means you won't tan. It contains a minimal amount of dimethicone that can't be felt on skin. The product has a white color, it's mostly odorless, and has a cream silky texture. On the skin is non-sticky, fast-absorbing, and it gives an ultralight finish without any white cast. I think this is probably the best formulated Kbeauty mineral sunscreen that I have tried. I tried using a coin size on my face the recommended usage dose despite it containing niacinamide, and I got very sensitized and irritated skin, but you don't have any issue with the ingredient. I can definitely recommend the product. Since it's made with zinc oxide, I do see a slight white cast at first application, which disappears after a few 5 minutes. It's scent-free, it does feel light on my skin, and was easily spreadable, unlike most zinc oxide-based. Feel the light in skin, no sticky feeling, no irritation, doesn't hurt my eyes, and no white cast. A coin-size amount is enough for application. Thanks for watching.